Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to show you how you can start to generate free leads today and get started in 3 simple steps. And also, by using the free lead system, you can promote any offer on autopilot and you can earn additional income stream. So the beauty of this system is that it's totally free to join. There will be a link in the description. It's completely 100% done for you. The autoresponder is built into the system for free, so you don't have to pay for a monthly subscription for an autoresponder. This is completely built in and will promote your offer on autopilot, so you can even not only generate free leads, but you can also earn commissions. I'm going to show you very simply how that works shortly. You've got an option to upgrade and earn unlimited $6 commissions. It is totally optional. You don't have to do this to become successful with free lead system, but I'll just show you some proof of that as well. The Facebook group has got 46,000 members where you're going to get help and training with free lead system. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees with this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. We've all got an equal opportunity to join, to join free lead system and to promote it as an affiliate. So what do you actually get? So when you join, there'll be a link in the description where you join. You go into your members area here, and they give you a done for you lead capture page. So I'm just going to show you now how simple and beginner friendly this is. You get your lead capture page. So what happens is a little diagram of how the flow of this system works and how easy and simple it is. If you're brand new, you're looking to generate some leads, you're looking to promote an offer on autopilot, it gets even better than that. I'll just show you here. So what you're going to do is, I just showed you the lead capture page there that you're going to get. So you're going to get a done for you lead capture page. And there's only one thing you've got to do, and that's over here. Only one thing you've got to do. And that one thing is to generate traffic. So I use free traffic. I'm going to give you my best 5 free traffic sources at the end of this video. So use free traffic, you promote your lead capture page, that generates leads, because then what happens in your prospects will put their email address into here. Very simple. And then the magic really happens with this system. The autoresponder, so I put AR on AP, the autoresponder on autopilot, which is free, is going to promote your offer in the emails that go out. And that means if anybody buys, you can earn commissions. That's autopilot, done for you, free, no cost, no membership costs, no membership subscriptions, totally free. I'm going to show you very shortly the members area where you put your offer, where you put your lead capture page, and then you start to earn commissions. Now it gets even better, because when you use a lead capture page, you promote a lead capture page within the autoresponder, you then take in the leads onto your own list. And then you can start to promote other offers. So you're going to build your own list. Got a plus sign here. You're going to build your own list. And then when you promote other offers to your own list, you're going to win even more money, more commission. So you're starting out for free, and then just earning commissions with the autoresponder, taking the leads onto your own list as well, and then also earning additional income streams on there as well. So let's just minimize that and show you how it works inside the system itself. So within your free lead system, all you do is you get an email with a username to join, set a password up, you log in, and then you do these 3 things. You watch that video there. enter your website below. So this is where you put your lead capture page URL in here. I recommend a low ticket offer, and then you click update, and then the system will do the work for you on autopilot. And then your referral link here is what you're going to promote, which is this lead capture page here. So very, very simple. Just promote one link. When you join, put your offer into the system, and then let the system do all the work for you. Let me show you some proof of leads. So if you upgrade, again optional, if you upgrade, then your leads will go into Lead Lightning. So if you don't upgrade, then your leads will go into your free lead system. So I'm an upgraded member. Now what you'll see here is, so I'm live in my account here. What you'll see here is, let's just get my pencil out here. 260 leads is what I've created so far. 260 leads, showing 1 to 15 of 260. And you'll see even in March here, some new ones have come through in March. So you've got the third month here. It's American, where the Americans write the date. All these new ones here. And you'll see here, down here, these came in February. So depending how much you promote, then you're going to get your free leads. Let me show you some proof of commissions. If you want to earn the unlimited commissions, let me just show you the commissions. Go into Pointer. Let's find it here. My money, my buyers list. So yeah, okay. So that's expired. Let me log in here. Close down. Let's just see if I can show you here the commissions. Let's log in. Okay, so here's the commissions. Let's just scroll down here. I think there's 34 $6 commissions on here. So come all the way down here. And if you do upgrade, it's a one-time $7. But you'll see here there's 34 commissions on this page. So one time $7, and you can earn unlimited $6 commission. So you can get into profit with this system if you promote it consistently. So the free traffic I was talking about earlier, these are my 5 best free traffic sources that I use every day. I'll pin this blog post with these traffic sources on to the first comment below the video you're watching now. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new uploads every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about free lead system or even Lead Lightning, then please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email, or if you'd like any help with your affiliate marketing. I do mentor one-to-one students as well. If you want some help, just contact me on that email address. So I just recommend that you can set up a free account by the link in the description will be this one here. Put your email in there, set up a free account, go into your members area of free lead system, have a good look round, watch the video, and then you can make an informed decision as to whether you think this is something that's going to help you generate leads and be able to use to promote your offers. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.